Okay, in first module, that is social engineering concepts, um, there is a very small topic which I missed. So let's see what it is. It is factors that make companies vulnerable to attacks. It is insufficient security training, unregulated access to information, several organizational units. Some organizations have their units at different geographical locations, making it difficult to manage the system. Lack of security policies. Okay, now let's go to module flow 2, social engineering techniques. So it can be divided into human based, computer based, and mobile based. So social engineering techniques is divided into human based, computer based, and mobile based. Human based social engineering, we have impersonation. I think this is quite obvious just by the name. We can say what is this, and then wishing. This is a form of phishing where voice or VoIP is used for phishing. So also we can also call it as impersonation using voice or VoIP. Eavesdropping. Eavesdropping refers to unauthorized person listening to a conversation or reading others' messages. It includes the interception of any form of communication, including audio, video, or written, using channels such as telephone lines, email, and instant messaging. Shoulder surfing, we all know what it is. Dumpster diving, this also we know, but I would like to give some examples like why the attacker do this. So attacker do this for phoneless. I mean, initially I was thinking it's only the dumpster diving is performed only to retrieve password information, but actually they do this for getting so many other informations like telephone lists, organizational charts, email printouts, notes, faxes, and memos, policy manuals, event notes, calendars, or computer use logs. Okay. Similarly, reverse social engineering. In reverse engineering, a perpetrator assumes the role of a knowledgeable profession so that the organization's employees ask them for information. Usually, social engineering, the attacker approaches the victim, but here the attacker tricks the victims to approach him rather than he approaching the victims. Piggybacking, this is also quite obvious. The attacker, you know, goes with a known person. The person believes the attacker and takes him inside the company, something like that. Tailgating, here the attacker follows some other genuine person, but the genuine person will not be aware of this. Whereas in piggybacking, he will be aware, but he will not know that the attacker has a malicious intention. So next, diversion theft. Diversion theft is a technique where attackers target delivery professionals or transport companies. Example, if the victim is a van driver delivering a package, then that person would be persuaded to drive to a location other than the actual delivery location. Honey trap, we all know what it is, but I didn't know that this also can be done online. If you look at the movies, honey trap, usually they will personally go to the victim and trap, but here they can also do online. This is the additional information which I got from Aspen book. Baiting. Baiting is a technique in which attackers offer end users something alluring in exchange of important information. Quid pro quo. Quid pro quo is a Latin phrase that meaning something for something. In this technique, attackers keep calling random numbers within a company, claiming to be calling from technical support. This is a baiting technique where attackers offer their service to end users in exchange of confidential data or login credentials. For example, an attacker gathers random phone numbers of the employees of a target organization. They then start calling each number pretending to be from IT department. The attacker eventually finds someone with a genuine technical issue and offers their service to resolve it. The attacker then asks the victim to follow a series of steps and to type in specific commands to install and launch malicious files that contain malware designed to collect sensitive information. Elicitation is the technique of extracting specific information from the victim by involving them in a normal and disarming conversations. Computer based social engineering we will see in the next video.